Okay, so once I get out of the shower, my hair is nice and freshly washed. You want to make sure that your hair is nicely cleansed and there's no, buildup and stuff like that. It feels so good. Now we about to get into the real deal. Pay close attention to this. You see this? This right here, this is the magic potion. This right here stops all your problems, all your worries. You will never be stressed out again. This is the magical rice water, the rice water that you need in your life. If you don't have any rice water, go to the store and get a bag of rice, a spray bottle for 99 cents, and some H2O. That's all you need. So what I like to do is, if you haven't watched my previous video on how to make it, I'll make sure to link that below. But once it's, fermented for about 24 to 48 hours, I add a little bit of argan oil. You want to make sure you put some type of essential oil because the smell, y'all, the smell will make you gag. And the way my stomach is set up, I can't deal with it. So you want to add some oil to it because it smells like funkified feet, like funky cheesy feet. Like, I don't even want to, get back, stand back. You can't even tolerate it. But the reason why I really wanted to come and share this video with you guys, because about a month ago I was experiencing postpartum shedding. If you guys do not know, I had a baby. Right after I had my baby, I noticed that my hair just started breaking off. It was coming out in clumps, as you can see in this clip right here. It was falling out and I was freaking out. I'm like, I'm not stressed, I'm so happy. Why is my hair falling out? Being that my body was going back to its regular state, my hormone levels were just fluctuating and they were going crazy and my hair was falling out. Y'all, look at this picture. I lost my edges. So today is February 25th. January 25th is when I started using this rice water, and my hair has not been shedding since. I can't believe how effective this stuff is. I don't even know why I didn't even try this before. I was going out trying every product in the store, trying to figure out what to do. I was so upset that I was gonna big chop again just because the amount of hair that was coming out. So this is all that I lost today in the shower, even with finger detangling and using my tingle teaser brush, compared to the video that I showed you of how much hair that I lost. It was crazy. So let me stop rambling. Y'all gonna laugh at me, but I don't care. I'm gonna separate my hair. And of course I don't have my clip. Yes I do. I like to separate my hair whenever I do anything. It just makes the process easier. So then my hair be all over the place. Put a towel on. And don't wear nothing good when you're using this rice water, y'all. I'm telling you, your shirt will be, don't use it. This is it's my husband's t-shirt. I stole it from him because I don't want to mess up my shirt. Shh, don't tell him. All right. Don't laugh, y'all. If you laugh, I'm going to be real mad. Y'all don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. I'm serious. This is how real it is. It's funky. And I'm not sitting here about to gag because I just ate breakfast and I need my breakfast to stay down. So I'm not playing no games. It can smell like whatever, but if it works, your girl is putting it in her hair. So then I just go ahead and just spray it. You want to saturate your hair. Normally I would do this in the shower, but because I love you guys so much, I want to just really show you what I've been doing. Oh, I can smell it through the mask. Hold on. I'm just gonna go, oh my God, the smell is just, it's terrible. So I also forgot to mention, well, this is the main thing, is my edges fell out. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, I have a video way back. It has been a month, and look, my edges are already coming back in. This whole section was gone. Like, it was bald. There was absolutely no hair here at all. And you can see, you know, little pieces coming back, but this rice water has really made a difference in my hair. My hair just feels so good. It looks so moisturized. It looks so moisturized, and it's so cheap. Like, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money trying to find something when your hair's breaking off. Everybody basically has rice in their cabinet, so y'all go get y'all some rice water. So once I spray this, the smell is like, it smells like funky feet and throw up at the same time. I don't know. I let it sit for about a half an hour to an hour, and then I'm gonna come back after, rinse it out, and show you guys how my hair looks. All right. So I went in and I rinsed it out. I did co-wash my hair just because the smell was just, I couldn't take it. But you don't have to. You can just go ahead and rinse it with warm water and style as you go. But rice water is so beneficial. It strengthens your hair. It adds shine to your hair. It improves elasticity. This right here, I'm never gonna stop using. But my hair just, look at the shine. It just looks shiny, and there's nothing in my hair at all. I have absolutely no product in my hair. So it has also made my hair so much fuller and felt really thick. My hair already was thick because of my pregnancy, but I really feel like my hair has grown too. Let me do a little light check for y'all. I see them edges coming in. All because of rice water. My hair looks crazy. I look like a little chia pet. But I hope you guys really try this. If you do, make sure you let me know how it works for you. This rice water is the truth. This rice water is the truth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.